What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back for another video. As you guys can see, we got the beautiful 5.0 right here started up. Had to get that good cold start for you guys, but we're actually gonna be moving locations, as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail. So just wanted to get a cold start for you guys, so let's go to the next location in 3, 2, 1. Just like that, boys. We're here at the spot. See how I try to do a little Stradman type of stuff right there. But yes, guys, we made it. Came to the little spot right here. You guys probably recognize this spot from a previous video that I did. If you guys don't, well, this is why I brought the car, basically just to let it cool down, let it chill, because that's the day that I found out that my third and fourth was just completely gone. But we were way past that. We need that type of bad energy right now, but let's get started with the video. All right, you guys, so by the title and thumbnail of this video, you could probably tell that it's the 5 or 10 things that I think I hate about this car. I don't think, but I kind of do dislike. But don't get me wrong, I literally love this car so much. Like, these coming up with these few things was super hard for me. So yeah, I wanted to get this video out to you guys for like brand new Mustang owners. Like, you know, maybe another cars can do it, but this specifically for like Mustangs. If you're gonna be like a new Mustang owner, this is some things that you should probably keep in mind that are gonna come with your car, and that these are just some few little things that I, as a first time Mustang owner, realized that I really dislike. But in any way, I'm not trying to say anything bad, because you guys can already tell and know that I really love this car. So yeah. All right, boys, the number one thing, the first thing that I hate or dislike a lot about this car is obviously, open up right here, is this bad boy. Yup, the transmission. You guys are new to like the whole car community, the whole Mustang community, specifically 2018 and up, but it's also happened to years down below. You guys know that the MT82 is literally probably one of the worst transmissions, honestly. It's just so bad. It's super notchy, it gets you out of gear, it locks out. There's just been a lot of bad stuff about it, and I personally already went through it. If you guys go watch the previous videos, you guys could see that my shift forks, which is basically what they're known for, these 2018s, the problem was that literally it's like another neutral. So like third and fourth gear, the shift forks break, and it's literally just like a neutral. It just revs up, you don't go anywhere. And that's basically what happened with my car not too long ago, actually. So yeah, I probably have to say that's the first thing I hate a lot. That's the one thing I do hate, though, is the MT82. I really don't like it, just because of those stuff and how bad it's known for. You know, other than that, I think it's a pretty smooth transmission. Like, you know, like I said, you could either be half of the patch that gets the very bad transmissions, or you could be the patch that just doesn't. Because I know there's a lot of people that don't have any problems with their 6-speed manuals 2018 and up. So yeah, I was just some of the unlucky bunch to get the very bad ones right at the beginning, but luckily it's fixed now, so we're just gonna see how much more it lasts. Hopefully it lasts a longer time, fingers crossed. But yeah, guys, that's probably the number one thing I first don't like, is just how bad they're just known for and stuff like that. But other than that, I love the stick life. Number 2 has to be this little dingy screen. Yes, guys, I know, if you guys also are new, once again, this is a Performance Pack 1, which is just a base model. As you guys see, I don't have a digital dash, I don't have touchscreen, I don't have leather, all the little lighting that's inside, I don't have none of that. It's just a base model, and trust me, guys, I do love my car. I love this car so much. I literally don't care nothing about that. But the one thing why I had to have this on my list is just look how tiny this little screen is. And the only reason why I'm complaining, it works fine. I only use Bluetooth and like the reverse camera, if anything, so that's why I'm saying I don't mind at all. The only thing that gets to me, though, is Camaros, literally the lowest base model they have a touchscreen. A Camaro RS has a way bigger touchscreen with all basically the SS V8 model. It's literally, they literally almost have the same thing, and how come Ford can't really just put at least like a smaller touchscreen, if anything, or the touchscreen at all? I mean, at the end of the day, it is a Mustang. So now we go to number 3, which I don't know if the camera can, you guys can probably tell so much, but the number 3 thing that I dislike from the factory when you guys get a Mustang is the stock ride height. Guys, this thing is pretty horrible. Like 4 fingers in the front and what, another 4 in the back. Like it's super bad, guys. Like I know that's what coilover springs and like bags and like any other third parties are for, and I get it, you know, but those are Challengers or Chargers. If it's this bad, it probably is too. But man, this thing is bad. That thing gotta go. So yeah, that probably has to be one of the other things. It's just the stock ride height is so high. Like I need to get low ASAP. This thing is just too high. Another thing I hugely dislike has to be keeping these wheels clean, guys. Oh my god, right now, no, they're super dirty. Honestly, the camera's just not picking it up. But guys, these tires, if you guys get a performance pack 1 or like the premium or anything that comes with these stock tires with the 6-piston Brembo brakes, don't get me wrong, I love the brakes. I love how big they are, how they feel. I literally love these brakes, these tires and rim setup. Like how dirty these things get and how hard they are to clean, guys, it is crazy. I literally spend probably more time cleaning their rims and detailing them than the whole car. There's so many spokes and there's so much like brake dust everywhere. Like it's so crazy. Like, but I love it. I love the rims, I love everything. That's just probably another little honk that I have to think about, is just how much brake dust they collect. On to number 5, which is also inside. A bunch of like little plastic pieces kind of everywhere that you notice, and it's really like, man, like there's a lot of plastic, you know, everywhere. But I mean, you know, it's not like a whole carboned out interior, decked out car, you know, so it's just a regular base model performance pack 1. But I do have to say that it's really, there's a lot of little like plasticky pieces, and I feel like you guys should probably just get some carbon, you know, get some carbon, throw it on there. As you guys can see, I have some right there on the air vent, I have some right here, right there on the door panels, center dash. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on like where you guys can probably get this. I'm waiting on a few more parts to come in to complete like my whole interior carbon fiber, but when that's done, I'll have that video for you guys. But yeah, I personally think there's like a lot of little pieces that honestly need a little more like, I feel like excitement into them, because they're so plain or like either too plasticky. But with some simple just carbon put on there, literally makes the interior come to life. If you guys have like a little base model just like I do. 6th thing, it's the 6th, I think that's the number I'm on. It has to be the stock hood vents, guys. Do not like the stock hood vents at all. That's why as soon as I saw these Roush ones, I was like, I have to get those, because it's just, me personally, they're not that bad, but it's just too much. Like, it was just too much ruby red right here going on. I needed a little more contrast, and I just didn't like how the circle, because the stock ones are like little circle vents right here and have like a vent right in the middle, and I just personally don't like them. I love this design. This design is literally, they literally should have just made them like a little more square that side. They made like literally like a whole circle. So wasn't a huge fan of those at all. That's why I got these right away. I knew I was gonna get these. So yeah, hood vents has to be a big thing that I did not like on the stock car. All right, and now moving on to the 7th thing. I don't know how much I can go, honestly. I'm like struggling to find things that I just didn't like when the car was completely stock. But this is another thing that I did not like. As you guys can see, I actually have like aftermarket LED like strips right here in the back. And your guys' stock ones, whenever you guys get to your guys' Mustang, it's literally just a red like strip and then just a light bulb. So it's just like a little red dot right here, and it honestly looks so horrible in my opinion compared to this. Like guys, literally this little LED strip, I got it for like 20 bucks off eBay, and look at the huge difference it made. Like literally, it's so bright at night too. Everybody tells me, they're like, dude, I need to get me some of those. Like, where'd you get those? because they're so bright. They literally are so bright at night, and I think it just looks so much better. It gives it such like a factory look. I feel like the factory should have just had these as an LED strip, you know what I mean? But yeah, it has to be another little honk right there. When it was completely stock, had to be the side markers. They gotta go, guys. You guys gotta get these LED strips. Literally 20-30 bucks on eBay or Amazon. Cop them, super worth it. All right, guys, and for the last thing is this orange strip. Luckily, I actually put the tint. I actually have a tint install right there if you guys want to do it. Super easy. I have the link for it too. Literally like 12 bucks. You guys should definitely cop it if you guys are getting, I say honestly, any Mustang from the 20, like, what is it, like 2015s and like 2020s. You guys should definitely get like a tint to delete that like amber strip, whatever. I personally hated when I had that orange strip. Literally, it just looks so off, guys. Like, look at it now. It's literally just like a little easy tint. It's just black. It goes with the whole theme. I'm pretty sure that can go with like any color car you guys have if you guys have a Mustang. So yeah, that's like another little thing that I really did not like, was that orange strip. And people actually tell me right away, they're like, oh wow, like that actually makes a difference. It looks super good. So totally worth it, guys. If you guys want to get some, make sure to watch that old video. I actually have it on my channel. But yeah, that probably has to be like the last thing, because guys, I'm literally like struggling. I don't know what else to choose to make it seem like I hate this car, but I really don't. It's just little things. But yeah, that has to be my top 8 things. I know I said 5 to 10, so kind of messed up at the beginning of the video. I just didn't honestly know. I was kind of just winging it as I was making this video. Just a few stuff that I just did not like about the car. And yeah, guys, that has to be my top 8 things that I do not like about the car. And to any first-time Mustang owners, this is what you guys should probably expect if you guys have a similar spec to mine, or just honestly a first stock Mustang is literally almost like the same thing. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Probably wasn't a very long video. I just wanted to get a short one video for you guys, because I know I did mention that I was supposed to vlog like a super lit car meet this weekend. Guys, it happened, but let's just say the car meet honestly wasn't that lit, and it was super dark, so the camera can't really pick up anything in super dark areas. Plus, you guys, I don't think you guys would have liked that little footage. It kind of was just small footage, and it wasn't that interesting as like the other ones were. So sorry about that. I know I was supposed to have like a little video montage for you guys this weekend of like super cool cars and stuff, but I personally didn't think it was worth the vlog. So yeah, that's why I was like, let me just crank out this little short video idea that I had since the beginning of the Mustang when I bought it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are super excited for the build. I know I'm super excited, guys. I think racing might start a little earlier, honestly, because yesterday some guy wanted to race me on the freeway, and I got super tempted, and I dropped it in second, and I banged it to third and fourth, and everything felt super fine. I was super sketchy about it at first, but it felt super fine, super like crisp, super buttery feeling. So, you know, I think she might be back up for the racing in a little few days. So your boy's trying to set up some cool racing videos. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. And like I said, I'm not too sure if it's going to be a super long video or too short, but if you guys liked it, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. Your boy's coming out with new videos this week, so stay tuned. And yeah, truly appreciate all the love you guys been showing, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.